Welcome back to Tax Tank Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to work through the steps on how to edit a property, add additional capital costs, and edit property forecasts and claim percentages. We will also have a quick look at the equity graph and how to edit or update a market value. Let's get started. Firstly, select the property you want to adjust and head to the Property tab. On this tab, you will see your property details, allocated bank accounts, co-owners, and forecasting details. To edit the property details and add any additional capital costs, select the Edit icon to open the Edit Property pop-up. Here you can change the property address if there's a mistake or a previously manual address is now available. You can also adjust the purchase price, contract, settlement dates, and add any capital costs like stamp duty and legal fees for any future CGT calculations. You can also upload a copy of your settlement statement, contract, and initial loan docs for safekeeping in Spare Tank. To edit property income and expense forecasts, head down to the Forecasting Details section and expand. Then select the Edit icon for the current financial year to open the Edit Property Forecast pop-up. Here you can edit the rental income and expense amounts, including interest and depreciation. For properties let through share platforms like AirBnB and Stayz, this is where you can update the percentage of claim to reflect the actual days and areas let throughout the year. Changes to the percentage of claim will update the current year's actual claims already allocated to the correct percentage. If you entered an incorrect ownership percentage when adding a property, you can easily edit it from the Shared With section. And finally, to update a market value, head to the Equity tab and then drop down the Valuation History section. To edit the last market value, select the Edit icon to open the Valuation Details pop-up. Edit the amount or date and select Save. Alternatively, to add a new market valuation to track the valuation history over time, simply select the Add Valuation button, enter the current market value, and click Save. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out or explore our support articles and videos for further assistance.